friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at how to install PyCharm on Ubuntu. So PyCharm is a Python based IDE that is developed by JetBeans, and it is really helpful when you are getting started in Python development and you want to work on some big projects. So what you need to do first is go ahead and download PyCharm. So type PyCharm. My internet is quite slow today, so bear with me. So you can just go over here on jetbeans.com and slash PyCharm, and you can download the community version from here. And I have already downloaded that, so I am going to show you how the installation process seems like. So go to downloads, and over here you can see the package.tr.gz file. So double click on that and extract that file over here. So you can go and click on download once waiting for the archive to load. After clicking on download, you will be presented to download PyCharm Pro version and community version. So you can just download the community version as it is free, and you can use that for non-commercial uses. Just drag and drop the files over here, and it is going to extract all the files on in your download folder. So I will be back once that is done. So just go into the community folder and right click and click on open terminal over here, and just go to bin directory, and over here you will see the file name pycharm.sh. So what you need to do is type dot slash pycharm.sh, and it will now open up the installer for PyCharm, and just go ahead and confirm the license agreement. If you want to read it, you can, and just click on continue. And if you want to send some stats of your PyCharm performance, you can also send those, but I'm going to opt out of that. And now that gives you an option to set a theme. So personally I like dark theme, so I'm going to use that. And over here it is going to ask you where you want to store the files and projects that are related to PyCharm. So I am going to use the default themes, and I'm not going to be using any downloading and installing any plugins right now. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Just enter the password, and now it will open up PyCharm. So we are going to create a new project. Now name it Hello World and create the project. And it is going to give you some errors, so click on OK and close it out. And over here on the left side you will see the structure of your project, like what files are inside your project and what are the external libraries that are being used. And there is another option for structure, and it also shows information related to your project. And there is an option to add to-do list. So if you want to add some features, you can create a to-do list for that and add those features in here, so you can tick them off once those are done. So over here we are going to create a new file. So first time it might take some time, so just bear with me. So just right click on your project and go to new and click on Python file, and over here just name the file and hit enter, and the file will be created over here. So after you have created the hello world.py file, now you need to configure the Python interpreter for your PyCharm environment. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to know the path of where Python is installed on your Linux installation. For that, what you can do is type which Python, and it will give you the path where Python is installed. So just copy that path, and after you have copied that, just click on file and go to settings, and over here go to your project and go click on project interpreter, and just click on this drop down. If you don't see any interpreter over here, like there is a just says no interpreter, so what you need to do then is just click on this gear icon and click on add. And over here what you need to do is go to system interpreter and click on these three icons and just paste the path over here. And once you have pasted the path, click OK, and the interpreter will be added to your PyCharm environment. Just click OK and click on save. Just click on save, apply, and OK, and it will be working. The interpreter will be working fine for your uh, PyCharm. So now you can go ahead and just you just print out a simple line to check if everything is working all right. And click on this run icon, and it will now run this code over here. And as you can see that the output was printed over here, that means that all our interpreter and PyCharm is working correctly. Now the another thing that you need to do in order to access PyCharm directly without going to the this directory and running pycharm.sh file every time you want to run PyCharm is just go to tools and click on create desktop entry, and just check this option to create the entry for all users and click on OK. And now you will be asked to enter your admin password, so just enter your password and it will create an icon that you can use for every time you want to access PyCharm. So I'm going to close this now, and as you can see that the desktop entry was created. I'm going to exit, and now we are going to open PyCharm using the desktop entry. I'm going to close all these windows, and now just go to show all applications and just type PyCharm, and you can see that PyCharm is shown over here, and just double click that and it will open PyCharm IDE on your system. So let's give it a second and it will open a PyCharm. As you can see that now the IDE is opening up and getting started. So you can now use this IDE for creating different Python projects that you are working on. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below. And thanks for watching. And do subscribe to our channel and like this video.